Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to view form submissions in Jotform. If you've been collecting responses through your forms, knowing exactly where to find and review that data is essential for managing your workflow efficiently. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to jotform.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email address and password to access your Jotform account. This step is straightforward, but make sure you're using the correct login details associated with the forms you want to review. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the page. Here you'll see an option labeled My Workspace. Click on this, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select My Forms. This action takes you to a centralized view where all your created forms are organized and accessible in one place. Now that you're viewing your forms, take a moment to locate the specific form for which you want to see submissions. Once you've found it, you'll notice a small checkbox beside the form's name. Go ahead and check that box to select the form. This selection is important because it tells Jotform exactly which form's data you want to access. After selecting the form, look toward the top of the page where you'll find a button labeled Submissions. Click on this button to proceed. Clicking Submissions will open Jotform Tables, which is a feature designed to display all your form responses in a clean spreadsheet-style view. This layout makes it incredibly easy to scan through entries, compare responses, and manage your data visually. Each submission appears as a row, and each form field corresponds to a column, giving you a comprehensive overview at a glance. If you need to customize this view further, Jotform Tables also allows you to add rows and columns. Simply click on the plus Add button, which you'll find within the interface. This feature is particularly useful if you want to include additional data points, notes, or categories that weren't part of the original form but are relevant to how you organize or analyze the information. And that's it. You've now accessed and reviewed your form submissions in Jotform, and you have the flexibility to adjust the data view as needed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.